Today, it makes more sense to unitize pallet loads using the skid lock unitizing system. Skid lock provides an easier, more economical, and environmentally friendly method of keeping loads secure. Skid lock creates a strong bond without creating the solid waste problem caused by stretch wrap or banding materials. And a pallet load unitized with skid lock maintains its unitizing strength even when partially broken down. While skid lock provides a strong bond to keep pallet integrity, it releases cleanly and easily with a vertical snap, with no damage to the carton or its graphics. Many other palletizing adhesives on the market today are actually watered-down carton sealing adhesives. They only work if exactly the right amount is applied. Skid lock is a true unitizing adhesive, a water-based resin product containing a special release agent that prevents deep penetration into paper or board stock. This means that cartons separate easily with no damage to the carton or its graphics. Safe and simple application is an important benefit of the skid lock unitizing system. It is easy to apply, automatically or by hand. Unlike stretch wraps or banding materials, skid lock is safe to use for employees and the environment. Gluefast offers versions of skid lock to work on nearly all surfaces, including brown cartons, paper bags, mottled white cartons, recycled cartons, plastic bags, or shrink-wrapped items. Skid lock also complies with FDA regulations for use as a food packaging adhesive. Skid lock works by bonding the package surfaces together, giving them a high shear strength to prevent side-to-side slippage, but low tensile strength to make separation easy. To be able to eliminate stretch wrap or banding, the ideal pallet configuration should be of uniform size, have a minimum item weight of 8 to 10 pounds per square foot, contain a minimum pallet load of 1,000 pounds. Skid lock should be completely dry before the unitized load is exposed to freezing temperatures, and the palletized load should be cross-stacked. While skid lock will form a bond between the packages in a short time, it should be allowed to dry completely before removing cartons from the pallet. Columnar stacking requires the use of one or more slip sheets or a reduced amount of stretch wrap across the top two tiers. Even hand application is quick and easy. An operator applies 2 strips of adhesive on the top of each carton lengthwise, and the cartons are ready to be palletized. For short runs and portability, a sample squeeze bottle may suffice. The pad from Gluefast can spray skid lock or extrude it. After a short drying period, the pallet is unitized and ready to be shipped. Safety and ease of application have made skid lock the perfect replacement for stretch wrap. But to many companies, there's a more compelling reason. Skid lock eliminates the solid waste problems associated with stretch wrap. There's no plastic disposal problem when pallets are broken down at your customer's location. There's no waste in your palletizing operation, and no daily cleanup of equipment is necessary either. Skid lock comes in a variety of packaging sizes and containers to meet your needs. Gallons, 5-gallon pails, 55-gallon fiber drums, and easily disposed of 260-gallon tote containers. And in tests performed according to the standards of the American Paper Institute, skid lock did not interfere with repulpability. Gluefast has a slide chart available which easily computes the amount of skid lock applied per pallet, based upon the carton length and the number of cartons per pallet. The per pallet cost decreases if the top tier of cartons has no skid lock applied. Gluefast offers a fully automatic system to apply skid lock directly onto cartons or bags moving on a conveyor. The system consists of a pumping station which supplies one or more application stations. Each application station has controls to adjust the degree of atomization and the amount of product applied. Unlike some competitive products, this system offers excellent spray control. Solid-state electronics means less downtime and greater reliability. Skid lock is applied only when 2 photo eyes sense the presence of a carton. Once set up, the photo eyes need no readjustment, even with different carton lengths. It is a good idea to install the spray heads and photo eyes on a speed-up conveyor to ensure proper spacing between cartons. A signal can be sent from an automatic palletizer to the application station to prevent the spraying of the top tier of cartons. For hand palletizing, the automatic applicator offers a simple, easy-to-adjust, optional top-tier eliminator. Savings of 10 to 25% can be achieved with this option. For longer cartons or bags, the optional skip glue feature can result in additional savings of 20 to 30%. An additional option includes the no-flow alarm, which indicates that one or both spray nozzles have been shut off or clogged. When skid lock flows, the float switch travels up a tube and a signal is sent verifying that skid lock is flowing. Where conveyor space is limited, the remote installation kit is required. The spray head, photo eyes, and support arm can be mounted onto a conveyor with just 4 inches or 10 centimeters of conveyor space. Customers receiving pallets unitized with skid lock like them better too. They're easy to break down, just a light tap, and the carton separates easily. And partially broken down pallets remain stable, enabling them to be moved about without undue concern. Besides solid waste reduction, skid lock also significantly reduces palletizing costs. Studies show that skid lock can save as much as 50% over the cost of stretch wrap. Skid lock systems are more efficient too, enabling you to speed up the palletizing process while saving on labor and material costs. Skid lock is creating a revolution in palletizing. From the small shipper to the giant warehouse, there's an application to suit every need. From manual to automatic, bags, cartons, and slip sheets, skid lock systems save time and money over other pallet unitizing systems. If you're looking for ways to reduce solid waste while decreasing your pallet unitizing costs, look to skid lock. The system, the savings, the solution.